Hello my dear friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will discuss about 25 history GK questions and answer, and our topic will be coming from medieval history. Two topics we will try to cover within these 25 questions. First one is the Turkish invasion and the second one is the Arab conquest of Sindh. And before proceed to our first question, I would also like to inform you that if you need any kind of rectification, any kind of suggestion, and so please obviously DM me in the comment section. I will try to rectify that. So proceed to our first question, which is first Muslim who invade India. First Muslim who invade India. So the right answer will be option 3, Muhammad bin Qasim. Next question. First Turkish who attack India. First Turkish who attack India. So the right answer will be option 1, Subuktigin. Subuktigin. Next question. When Alpatgin was ruling over Ghazni, that time who is the ruler of Khurasan? When Alpatgin was ruling over Ghazni, that time who is the ruler of Khurasan? So the right answer will be option 2, Mahmud of Ghazni. So Ghazni is nothing, it is a state of Afghanistan. Okay. Next question. First battle of Vaihind was taken place at. First battle of Vaihind was taken place at. So the right answer will be option 1, 1001 AD. So first battle of Vaihind is also known as first battle of Peshawar. Okay. Next question. Second battle of Vaihind was taken place at. Second battle of Vaihind was taken place at. So the right answer will be option 4, 1008 AD. So this battle is also known as the Battle of Chhaj, and this battle was fought between whom? Mahmud of Ghazni and Anandapal. Okay. Next question. Mahmud of Ghazni was died on. Mahmud of Ghazni was died on. The right answer will be option 3, 1030 AD. Next question. Who wrote Tariki Hind? Who wrote Tariki Hind? Or so the right answer will be option 1, Al Biruni. So Tariki Hind is also known as Kitab al Hind. Next question. First Muslim who read Purans. First Muslim who read Purans. So the right answer will be option 3, Al Biruni. Next question. Who is called Homar of the East? Who is called Homar of the East? So the right answer will be option 3, Firdausi. Next question. Which is the foundation of Persian language? Which is the foundation of Persian language? So the right answer will be option 4, Sahunama. Who wrote Tariki Yamini? Who wrote Tariki Yamini? So the right answer will be option 3, Utbi. Next question. First battle of Tarain was taken place on. First battle of Tarain was taken place on. So the right answer will be option 1, 1191 AD. Okay. So this battle was fought between the Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan. Next question. Battle of Chandawar was fought between whom? Battle of Chandawar was fought between whom? So the right answer will be option 1, Muhammad Ghori and Jaichand or Jaichandra. So this battle was fought on 1194 AD. Okay, after the Battle of Tarain. Next question. Who is the court poet of Jaichand or Jaichandra? Who is the court poet of Jaichand or Jaichandra? So the right answer will be option 4, Sri Horso. Next question. Who destroyed Nalanda University? Who destroyed Nalanda University? So the right answer will be option 2, Bakhtiyar Khalji. So please DM me in the comment section that Nalanda University is situated on which state. Okay, give me the answer in the comment section. Who Which state Nalanda University is situated? Next question. Who is the court poet of Prithviraj Chauhan? Who is the court poet of Prithviraj Chauhan? Court poet of Prithviraj Chauhan. So the right answer will be option 2, Chand Bardoi. Next question. Who is also called as world burner? Who is also called as world burner? So the right answer will be option 4, Sultan Alauddin. Sultan Alauddin. Next question. Prithviraj Raso was written by whom? Prithviraj Raso was written by whom? Prithviraj Raso was written by whom? So the right answer will be option 2, Chand Bardoi. And Chand Bardoi is the court poet of Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay. So next question. Naisadha Charitro book was written by. Naisadha Charitro book was written by whom? So the right answer will be option 1, Sri Harso. Next question. Battle of Chandawar was taken place on. This question answer I already told before. So the Battle of Chandawar was taken place on. The right answer will be option 3, 1194 AD. And this battle was fought between whom? This battle was fought between Muhammad Ghori and Jaichand. Okay. Next question. First Muslim kingdom was established in. First Muslim kingdom was established in. First Muslim kingdom was established in. So the right answer will be option 3, Ajmer. Next question. Who is Muhammad Ghori's general? Who is Muhammad Ghori's general? So the right answer will be option 1, Kutubuddin Aibak. Next question. Who translated Patanjali into Arabic? So Patanjali was written in Sanskrit language. And who is the poet who translated Sanskrit language Patanjali into the Arabic language? So the right answer will be option 3, Al-Biruni. Okay. Next question. Somnath temple was destroyed how many times? Somnath temple was destroyed how many times? Somnath temple is basically situated in Gujarat. Okay. The right answer will be option 3, 6 times. So today's last question, which is who is the father of Mahmud of Ghazni? Who is the father of Mahmud of Ghazni? So the right answer will be option 1, Subuktigin. Okay.